Climate change is real and is evident in the changing and extreme weather conditions that are posing significant risk to lives and livelihoods. Among the actions we can take to slow climate change and reduce the risks is planting and caring for our trees. These plants help to reduce air pollution and are also part of the water cycle, assist in reducing soil erosion, storm water runoff, and the effects of flooding. So, by planting more trees, we're helping to maintain the ecological balance, a more livable planet, and protecting an important food source. And Jamaica is participating in the global actions for climate resilience through initiatives to plant trees.
This project is actually the brainchild of our Prime Minister, Most Honorable Andrew Holness. It started the 4th of October 2019. The aim of the project is to plant at least one tree for each Jamaican. And this will be done on both private and public lands. And we have been getting a lot of interest so far.
The initiative caught the interest of the Jamaica Information Service, which decided to plant some trees as part of its main corporate social outreach activities at the Mount Olivet Home for Boys in Manchester. The home was adopted by the JIS in 2009. The proposal was raised with the director at the home, Mr. Patrick Newman, and it was an easy decision for him.
The home is situated on 10 acres of land. So we saw it fit that we would partner with JIS and the Forestry Department to have some trees planted on the compound of the home.
The compound was being worked on, and we saw an area where trees could be planted, so we reached out to forestry. They were happy to come on board.
The Forestry Department gave us 3 varieties of trees. Cassia semenia, Puya trees, Prada barbados, and poor man's orchids.
The JIS engaged the boys to plant these ornamental trees along the recently constructed driveway leading from the main road to the home's newly built dormitories.
The boys were very eager to participate, and we saw the enthusiasm when we got there. So we started the process of planting, and everybody just came together, planted at least 1 to 2 trees each, and in no time we're finished with the process.
And this is to help to beautify the surrounding and to provide some shade and to just have a green look to the space at the home.
We were happy to partner with them to plant some trees on this day.
Would love to plant some more trees, especially breadfruit and ackee, because we found out that during the time when these food are in season, we have to be purchasing breadfruit and ackees. So if anybody out there that want to donate some ackees and breadfruit tree, just give us a call at the home.
The trees planted so far at the Mount Olivet home are now in bloom under the care of the boys there.
The boys are in charge of caring for the plants, watering them, and they have reached a stage now that we cannot lose them anymore. I saw one of the Prada barbados is now being bloomed. Wonderful red flower. So they're at a stage now that we can safely say that they have passed the worst.
The Forestry Department is encouraging Jamaicans everywhere, at home, schools, in communities and corporate offices, to join in the effort and plant as many trees as possible within our local environment.
We want as many Jamaicans as possible to take part, and they can do this by, if they want less than 10 trees, they can walk into any one of our nurseries, either in Williamsfield, Monique or Mount Erie, and they can have these seedlings. For persons who want to plant more than 10, we encourage them to send an email to the Forestry Department. They can email us at fdinfo@forestry.gov.jm. The Forestry Department is the major entity that is responsible for the production of the timber and ornamental seedlings. RADA is also partnering with us in the production of the fruit seedlings.